Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk you through the secret chamber of the Golden Plains puzzle. So when you get to this chamber here basically and you're faced with this mural, it's very simple. All you need to do is come up and then with the bottom one here, you ignore it, then come immediately to the right. So I'm on the bottom right of the puzzle here, and then all you need to do is go ahead and force punch it in. And then once you've done that one, come up to the bird, do the exact same thing with the bird, and again head back to the mural. Then after the bird, come up to the top one, which is the horse up here, and once again force punch that one in. Then after you've done the three on the right, you want to come up to the middle row and then force punch the middle one in here. So now you've got three on the right and one in the middle. And then the last thing you want to do is come up to the top one, which is the grapes just here, and force punch this in. And then after that, the chamber will open and you can go ahead and collect your reward, which is fantastic. Then simply go ahead and hold down on this handle and that will open up the exit. But before you leave, there is also a bonus chamber over here. I'll just show you really quickly. Just over here where the light is, there's a secret room. Do be aware that there is a trap here, which you can just run straight over, but it does have spikes. And then in this room, there's plenty of loot. I have already looted it, but feel free to do that. But that is how you do the secret chamber of the Golden Plains, guys. Really hope that that helped. Please do like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.